The 2013-2018 Toyota RAV4 key fob battery is a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell. When your fob's range decreases or stops working, it's time for a replacement. To start, insert your key into the slot at the base of the fob to unlock the cover. Then, use a small flathead screwdriver or a keyring remover to gently pry open the fob housing along the seam. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, carefully lift out the old battery using the screwdriver, avoiding contact with any metal parts to prevent shorts. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up. Place the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Ensure the battery is seated firmly in place. Reassemble the fob by snapping the cover back on until it clicks securely. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. The car should respond from a distance of 20 to 30 feet. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the battery is new and functional. Dispose of the old battery properly at an electronics recycling center. If issues persist, consult a professional.